All right, today we're working on this is a 2011 Ducati 848 EVO. We're doing a lost key replacement. Actually, yeah, lost key replacement. Actually, they already have a key. So we're gonna go ahead, read the data out the dashboard, and write it onto a new chip. Replace the chip in this key, and that's it. We don't have to cut a key on this one, but we do have to do the chip programming. Oh yeah, also here's an example of what not to do. Try to protect your dashboards when you ship it to us. Because if this was like this and this fell on top of that, it would crack the screen. I'll come back in a little bit with the chip program and everything. Alright, we're done with the chip programming for this Ducati. Basically, we wasn't able to use the chip in this key, so we took the key apart and put another chip in it. Here's the old chip. We wasn't able to use it because it already has data on it, and we have to have a blank chip to write the data to it. So we replaced the chip. Here's the old chip. Probably this would be trash. That's about it. So this is going back to the customer. You need our help, give us a call or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com, and that's about it. Thank you.